Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're using Copilot Money to manage your finances, you're in for a treat. Today, we're going to walk you through how to import transactions quickly and easily. This feature saves you time and helps keep your budget accurate without manual entry. First things first, let's quickly cover what Copilot Money is. It's a user-friendly app designed to track your spending, set financial goals, and give you insights into your money habits. Importing transactions means you can pull in data directly from your bank, making everything automated and hassle-free. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Copilot Money app on your phone or computer and log in to your account. Make sure you're on the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Head over to the Transactions tab, which is usually front and center. Look for an Import button or option. It's often under a Settings menu or a plus icon. Step 3. Tap on Import Transactions, and you'll see a list of supported banks. Select your bank from the options provided. Copilot Money works with major banks, so chances are yours is there. Step 4. Enter your bank login details securely. The app uses strong encryption to protect your information, so don't worry about safety. Step 5. Once connected, choose the date range for the transactions you want to import. This helps you focus on recent activity or specific periods. Step 6. Hit Confirm or Import Now, and let the app do its magic. It will fetch your transactions and even categorize them automatically based on your spending patterns. A quick tip. If your bank isn't supported, you can often import via a CSV file from your bank's website. Also, check for any duplicates after importing to keep your records clean. And there you have it. Importing transactions into Copilot Money is straightforward and efficient. This will help you stay on top of your finances without the extra work. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.